I want to show you how easy it is to add new shortcuts to your Fifine Stream Controller using the app on your computer. This is what the app looks like. I already have mine populated with some apps, links to different web browsers. On the second page here, I have some hotkeys for Pro Tools. And as you make changes to these, they update in real time to the controller, which is really great. You can set up multiple pages, so you can scroll through and have them be for different actions or different types of shortcuts. So I'm going to go to this empty page, and all you have to do is on the right side here, you have all these different options to choose from. You have some settings for the control deck itself, creating folder, new page, go to page number. You can jump between multiple pages, which is really great. And the toolbox here is where you can set whether I want it to be a website, whether I want it to be a hotkey, a mouse event, open an app. You can have a password that is configured through here, which is really great if you don't use a password manager. So let's say open an app, and I'm going to go ahead and drag this onto an open square. And when I drag it, you can see it defaults to the first app I have, and here's all the apps on my computer. So if I wanted to open FaceTime, it shows up there, and then if I look at my controller, it is already available as the first slot. And if I move this to a different square, it moves in real time on the Stream Deck. You can set controls to play audio, to stop audio, any of your touch bar controls from your Mac, which is really great to have these. You don't even have to open your computer. I have mine docked all the time, so these are very helpful. And then you can add an action flow where you add multiple actions with the touch of one button, which is really cool. So if I drag that to this first block here, you can say whether it's an open loop, you can title it, and then you can set the different items. So you can have multiple things happen if you just click one single button on your Stream Controller. Could not be any easier to set up. It syncs instantly. You can add text to it. You see I've added a Gmail. I've named my hard drive. You can change the color, change the icon. All sorts of things you can do with this. It's super powerful. Highly recommend for anybody that's in a creative industry or just wants something to expedite their workflow. I think this has made a massive improvement in mine.